Utility van ba ang hanap mo? Let's check out the Isuzu Traviz Utility Van. I'm here at Centro Manufacturing Corporation, Maguyam, Cavite plant. We are an ISO certified company and an authorized truck body builder of Isuzu Philippines. Moderno at may magandang aerodynamics design ang Isuzu Traviz. Meron itong 4JA1 Blue Power diesel engine at 5-speed manual transmission. At syempre, may 3-year o 100,000 km warranty pa. Gawang Centro ang utility van body kaya hindi papahuli sa tibay. Machine press at CNC laser cut ang materyales na ginamit kaya pulido at eksakto ang sukat. Fit na fit ang bawat parts tulad ng rear door. Smooth buksan at isara. Ginamitan ng jigs and fixtures habang ina-assemble. Oven bake ang painting process, kaya smooth at kapit na kapit ang pintura. Malakas ang proteksyon sa kalawang dahil dinaan sa metal treatment process. Lastly, water leak tested ang bawat unit up to 30 PSI. For inquiries and more information, call or visit your preferred Isuzu dealership near you. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a like and follow for more. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!